stop for a second. I want to ask you something real. Are you working hard or are you working smart? Because there is a big difference. See, most people brag, bro, I work 12 hours a day. But when you ask what they actually achieve, they go silent. They confuse being busy with being productive. But let me tell you something powerful. Hard work builds muscle, smart work builds empires. Look around. The most successful people in the world aren't always the ones grinding 18 hours a day. There are the ones who know where to put their energy. They plan, they prioritize, they automate, they delegate. They don't just work harder, they work intelligently. Think about it. Two people start a journey. One keeps running full speed, never checking the map. The other stops, studies the route, finds the shortcut, and reaches first. Now tell me who is smarter. You don't get paid for effort, you get paid for results, and results come from clarity, focus, and smart execution. So, from today, stop saying I am too busy. Start asking, am I moving in the right direction? Stop chasing every task. Start chasing the right task. Because success is it's about doing what matters most. You can work 4 hours a day and still win. If those 4 hours are pure focus, smart strategy, and purpose. Let me tell you one last thing. Smart work doesn't mean being lazy. It means thinking before acting. It means using your brain like a weapon, not a burden. It means learning, adapting, and growing every single day. So, today make a decision. Don't just be a hard worker, be a smart creator. Use your time wisely, your mind sharply, and your energy powerfully. Because the world doesn't reward the one who works the most, it rewards the one who works the smartest. Now go out of there and make your hard work count.